If your Telegram calls suddenly have no sound, or you're hearing crackly or muffled audio, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to fix Telegram call sound problems on your computer, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. By the end, you'll be able to pinpoint exactly where the issue is coming from and restore crisp, clear audio to your Telegram calls. Let's jump right in with our initial checks and resets. These are often overlooked but can save you a ton of time. First, pause and check your headphones or speakers. Make sure they're plugged in securely. Sometimes it feels connected, but a gentle push makes all the difference. Also, double-check your system volume. It's surprisingly easy for the main volume or even specific app volumes to be set low or muted, so just bump that slider up and see if it helps. Next, let's restart things. This is a classic tech fix for a reason. So close Telegram fully. If it's running in the system tray, right-click the icon and choose Quit. Don't just hit the X at the top corner. Then restart your computer. This refresh clears out temporary glitches that might be blocking your audio. Now here's a critical step many people skip: testing sound in other apps. Before we blame Telegram, open something like Spotify or even YouTube in your browser. Play some music or a video and listen for audio. If sound is working everywhere else, it's clear the problem is isolated to Telegram, which helps us troubleshoot more precisely. If other apps are sounding good, let's dig into Telegram's own settings. Open Telegram, head over to Settings, and find Notifications and Sounds. Look for any call-specific audio settings or options for choosing your output device. Sometimes, if you use multiple speakers or headphones, Telegram might pick the wrong one by default. Make sure your preferred device is selected here. And as a tip for Windows users, if Telegram isn't handling system permissions well, right-click the Telegram shortcut, select Properties, and under the Compatibility tab, check the box for Run this program as administrator. This gives the app fuller access to your system's sound hardware. Moving on to system-level fixes, let's adjust your computer's main sound settings. On Windows, you'll want to open the sound settings from your control panel or search bar. Here, make sure the correct headphones or speakers are set as the default device. Check both the output and input levels, especially if you're also having trouble with your microphone during calls. Sometimes Windows pushes a device as default even if nothing's plugged in, so look closely. For driver issues, head to your device manager on Windows and update your audio drivers. Outdated drivers can cause all sorts of funky sound problems. It may take a minute, but keeping your drivers up to date is always worthwhile. Mac users, open your system preferences and hit Sound. There's a known bug where Telegram can get forced to a different output device during calls. Double-check that the output is set to your preferred headphones or speakers, especially when a call is active. If none of these steps work and the sound gremlins persist, try the advanced steps. Uninstall Telegram completely, restart your computer again, and install the latest version freshly from the official site. Sometimes random issues crop up in outdated or corrupted installs, and a clean reinstall does the trick. Finally, if you're still stuck, hop onto Telegram web in your browser or use the mobile app just to see if the issue follows your account or stays with your computer. If audio works there, it's definitely a hardware or system issue on your PC. If it doesn't, it might be something with your account or Telegram itself. I hope these steps help you get back to smooth, clear Telegram calls. If you found the video helpful, please tap that like button, drop a comment with any questions or your own troubleshooting experiences, and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.